Today we're gonna start with sum number 12. First of all, good morning everyone. So this is the sum of sum number 12 of chapter number 15.1, area and perimeter, triangle and quadrilateral. So the question is, there is a 2.5 meter wide path around the square garden of Siraj. The area of the path is 165 square meter. Let us calculate the area of garden and the length of the diagonal. So first of all, we have to draw the diagram because the diagram is here is very important. First, diagram should be like this way. So first of all, what is given? Area of the path means this one. This is the square garden of the Siraj and a 2.5 meter wide around. So means this is 2.5 meter. This is 2.5 meter wide around. This is 2.5. This is 2.5. All around the garden. And this is the square garden, and the area of path means this is given as 165 square meter. So therefore, let side of square garden x meter. Let us first assume that this portion is x, only this portion. So therefore, the side of square garden with path this is very important. See carefully, all of you. This is x. This is 2.5 meter and this is also 2.5 meter. So the side of the square garden with the path is x plus, this is x and this is 2.5 plus 2.5 plus this is also 2.5. So x plus 2.5 plus 2.5 equal to x plus 5 meter. Okay. So therefore, area of the path equal to x plus previously we know that if we draw a rectangle like this one, this sum, we have to first find the area of this rectangle and after that we find the area of this rectangle, and from the area of the larger rectangle or greater rectangle we have to subtract the area of this smaller rectangle. Therefore we find the area of the path. Similarly, this is the same procedure. If we find the larger square area and if we find the smaller square area, therefore we can find the area of the path. Now the larger square garden side is x plus 5, so the area will be side into side, so x plus 5 whole square, and the smaller square garden side is x meter, therefore the area is x into x equal to x square meter. So therefore we know this value is 165. So according to the problem, x plus 5 whole square minus x square equal to 165. A plus b whole square, a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square minus x square equal to 165. We can eliminate those. 5 into 2 10x plus 5 square means 25 equal to 165. So 10x equal to 165 minus 25, x equal to 165 minus 25 means 140, and from here it should be divided 140 by 10 equal to 14 meter. Therefore the side of the square garden, side of square garden 14 meter. Therefore area equal to 14 meter into 14 meter, 196 meter square. And we have to find the diagonal. What is the formula of diagonal? Diagonal equal to root 2 into side equal to root 2 into 14, 14 root 2 meter square. One more thing, I don't remember that when I write down the formation, there are two formations also. One formation is diagonal of square equal to root 2 into side, and diagonal of rectangle equal to root over length square plus breadth square. If I don't discuss that, whenever I discuss the formation of the first day of the chapter, therefore then you have to write these two formula on that page. This is very important. First of all is diagonal of square, root 2 into side unit, and diagonal of rectangle is equal to root over length square plus breadth square unit. This is sum number 15. A big hall of house of Mousumi is the form of a rectangle of which length and breadth are in the ratio 9:5 and perimeter is 140 meter. Mousumi wants to cover the floor of her hall with rectangular tiles of dimension 25 centimeter into 20 centimeter. The rate of which 100 tiles is rupees 500. Let us calculate the cost for covering the floor with tiles is. So first of all, let length and breadth of the hall are 9x and 5x. We don't know the value of length and breadth, but the length and the breadth are in the ratio 9:5. Therefore we assume that length is 9x and breadth is 5x. So perimeter equal to 150, 140 meter. So according to the problem ATP, what is the formation of perimeter? 2 into length plus breadth equal to 140 meter. So therefore 2 into L means 9x, B means 5x equal to 140. So 2 into 9x plus 5x, 14x equal to 140. So x equal to 140 by 2 into 14, 10 and 2. So the answer is x equal to 5 meter. So therefore we can say that length equal to 5 into 9, because the value is 9x. So therefore 5 into 9, 45 meter, and breadth equal to 5 into 5, 25 meter. One more thing, if anyone want to write that 9x equal to 9 into 5, this is also right. You can write in this formation also. So therefore we find that length and breadth, length is 45 meter and the breadth is 25 meter. So therefore area of the hall is 45 meter into 25 meter. We know the formula of the area, length into breadth. Therefore the area is length into breadth equal to 45 meter means 4500 centimeter into 2500 centimeter. We have to convert it into the centimeter, because here we know that the tiles are given into the centimeter, 25 centimeter into 20 centimeter. So area of one tile equal to 25 centimeter into 20 centimeter. So suppose this is the hall. So if we know the area of the hall and this is the small tile like this one, and it continues in that portion. So suppose if we find one tiles area, therefore if we divided it to the area of the total hall, therefore we find the number of tiles. So number of tiles equal to area of the hall by area of tile, one tile. So therefore area of the hall is 4500 into 2500 centimeter square, and it should be 25 into 20 centimeter square. First of all, here I just write down 45 into 25, just only in this formation. If you want to multiply that formation, my suggestion is don't do that, because that is the time consuming part, because we have to divide it here. So therefore just write down in this formation, we have to reduct it like this ones, from 0 0 25 250 10 and 2 10 5. So 4500 into 5 means 0 0. The number of tiles is 22500. Now cost of 500 tiles is rupees 500. So therefore cost of one tile is 500 by 100 equal to rupees 5. So therefore total cost of 22500 tiles is 22500 into 5. So the answer is 112500 rupees. Very important sum it's also. Okay.